In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create Notion templates. If you've ever wanted to streamline your workflow or find more efficient ways to organize your thoughts and projects, Notion can be an excellent tool. And combining it with ChatGPT can make the process even more seamless and tailored to your personal or professional needs. Let's dive in and find out how you can create these customized templates. First, you'll want to make your way over to the Notion website. Once you're there, the next thing you'll need to do is log into your account. For those not familiar, logging in ensures that you have full access to all of the features and previous projects you might have already started. When you opt for the Google option during the login process, it simplifies things if you often find yourself juggling multiple accounts, thanks to the quick integration. After accessing your Notion account, it's time to head over to ChatGPT. Here's where the magic begins. You can ask ChatGPT to generate ideas for potential templates. This step is crucial, especially if you're not exactly sure what type of template you might need. Simply pose a question or request like, "Can you suggest some Notion template ideas for me?" You'll be surprised at how creative and insightful AI can be with these types of tasks. Once ChatGPT has provided you with some ideas, go ahead and select the one that resonates with your needs. It's as easy as reading through the suggestions and picking the one that seems like the perfect fit for the project or organizational task you're envisioning. Now it's time to hop back into Notion. Look for Notion AI, which is the section where you'll integrate these ideas. Here, type in a command based on the idea you liked. For example, if you chose an idea around project management, you might type something like, "Generate a template for project management." This instructs Notion Automate to start creating the bones of your template. Once you input your command, don't forget to hit send. It may seem like a simple step, but it's critical to ensure that Notion starts working on generating your template. After sending, you'll need a moment of patience as the template is crafted. This step might take a little time, but the output is usually worth the short wait. Once it's done, you'll have a template right before your eyes. Finally, review and customize the generated template. This is where you can get creative and make it truly your own. Feel free to add subpages, tweak the design, and adjust values to fit your unique requirements. These adjustments can make your Notion workspace not only more functional, but also more visually pleasing and aligning with your workflow.